First of all, we greet them like, good morning or good afternoon or sir or ma'am. Then thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Ashwini Valmiki. It's not required mandatory to give this, okay? We are five members, but if you don't have a lot to talk, then talk about this, okay? We are five members in my family, my sister and brother, and my parents and me. I'm native to Andhra, currently I'm native to Mumbai, basically. City name you can say. And then currently I'm pursuing my post-graduation diploma from Wellington University and I have graduated from GPM College. So I can say Mumbai University, okay? So yeah. So basically when you say if you are a fresher then you can concentrate on your studies, your courses, and if you are an experienced then just go ahead with your knowledge which is more into about the job. So basically suppose I am an I consider as an experienced candidate, and then I'll tell just a little bit about myself, like I am pursuing, because I'm actually pursuing a post graduation diploma in HR from Wellington University, and I completed my graduation from Mumbai University. Now I'll talk more about my position. Okay, I have around 6 years of experience. I started my career from Infinix Private Limited, where I was working as a pharmacy billing process associate. Then I wanted to move into HR because that's the goal of my life, that I wanted to be an HR. And I started working with Rexus Group as an HR product coordinator. There I was working for global projects, multiple countries, as a technical recruiter, where I was hiring for multiple companies. I cannot disclose the name because it was an NDA for us. So I will just tell her that I was working. Okay. Then about the other company, that I worked with TeamLease, I worked with Manpower, and I worked with Dices, or I worked with TCS, whatever company I worked till now, which is I have mentioned in the resume. All the companies, I'll take that name, I'll let them know all the things that I have worked, and I will more concentrate on the job description, what they required, and I will focus on that those things. Like suppose I am uh, they want a candidate who knows Workday or Snow, like ServiceNow, ticketing tool, or someone who wants SAP, SAP. So I'll more concentrate on those words and I will more explain about those things if I know. Okay, otherwise if I don't know, I will just say that I have a knowledge about this and I'll get a theoretical knowledge from Google or somewhere, and I'll let them know this is which I know about it. Okay, so focus on the job description and give whatever understanding you have about that particular skills, concentrate on those. Then if they ask, then only tell your strengths and weakness, otherwise it is fine. Next chapter is there for strength and weakness, and then just you can let them know about your hobbies. Like I like to travel, so I'll tell you I like travel, my hobby is traveling, I travel a lot. So that's why. And then thank you. If you have any specific question, please ask. I'll be glad to answer that. So this is how it ends. I'm not giving you a proper my introduction, but I would first expect you guys to give me your introduction, and then if there is anything, I will correct. Okay. So let's start now. First of all, I wanted to know from you guys if you guys are experienced or freshers. Dheeraj.
Myself, I'm
Okay.
experienced.
Prasad, I am a
Yeah,
Prasad.
hi, sir. Uh, just let
Hello.
me call out your names and then you can start. Okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Are
Thank you,
you
ma'am, for giving
experienced
me
or
this.
fresher?
I am Prasad.
Okay, fresher. No worries. Okay. So yeah, you can introduce yourself. First, let me. Okay. So first, I will greet you. Okay. This is just a we will be taking a real time interview kind of thing. So hi, Dheeraj. How are you doing?
Good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm also good. You can start. You can introduce yourself.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. This is. I thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am the Dheeraj. We are four members, including me. I am native from Guntur. Currently, I am pursuing. I, my studies is completed now. Shall I tell currently or
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
complete?
It's just a demo. It's do not look at to the script. It's just for an example. I'll just change the page. Okay.
Okay. My name is Dheeraj. I am from Guntur. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in the passed out year of 2023 with an aggregate of 7.07 CGPA from the Metropolitan College of Engineering College.
What is it?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I'm listening.
Skeleton hobbies and weakness
Yeah.
and strengths
So
also. No?
I'll tell you what you have to say. Okay, as you are in fresher, Dheeraj, what you have to do is you have to concentrate on your studies, like whatever you have completed. Then you are completing this CCNA course, okay? Whatever course you have chosen, okay?
Yes.
So tell
Yes,
them
ma'am.
about the courses. You know that I was interested in networking, so I have decided to, switch the, to choose. I have chosen a career being an what networking engineer, correct?
Networking. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I have chosen this path, and I wanted to be a network engineer. So I have completed this course from Tungabhadra Networks like this. So add some things like and I've doing there no, I've been doing hands on there like that. Just add those things, so it will give you as a fresher also you have something to tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's start again. I'll give you one more chance.
Okay.
You can start.
Good. Okay. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Dev. I am from Guntur. I completed my BTech in Sri Metropolitan College of Engineering with an aggregate of 7.07 CGPA branch in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Coming to my next. Currently, I am pursuing CCNA group in Tungabhadra Networks. My goal is to do, and I will tell my interviews next class.
Okay, Dheeraj, we need to work on your introduction. So no worries, this
Okay.
is the first day only. We will sit together whenever I have time, and we will make a good introduction for
Okay.
you. Okay, so we
Okay.
need
Thank
some
you.
changes in your. So I need some time. I cannot take others time. So whenever we have
Okay.
time, we will sit together and we will complete your introduction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Harsha, you can proceed further.
Yeah, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity. And
Yeah.
my name is Harshavardhan. I live in Kurnool currently, but my native place is Visakhapatnam. I come from a supporting family which consists of 4 members. And my education, I have completed my undergraduation in diploma in electrical and electronics engineering. And after that, I have worked in CS Constructions Companies Private Limited in Bhopal as a junior electrical engineer. The project is about provision of electrical and electronics facilities to the DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. After that, I have started my own business with my friend in internet service provider field. And after that, again, because of some clashes, I have went to Kia Motors Private in Kia Motors India Private Limited company. It's a OEM as a quality inspector. After that, again, I went to Greenco Group as a IT support. Currently, I'm learning from Tungabhadra Networks to become a pro in CCNA and CCNP. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, it was good, Harshvardhan. You gave a good try. Do not mention any clashes in the interview, first of all. You can mention that, due to some circumstances, we have decided mutually to close the business. And again, I started working with whatever company you said. And then this is the way you can describe your, you know,
Okay.
yeah. And yeah, it was so far. We will what we will do is not today, but tomorrow. I'll give you guys a good, introduction. I discussed this with Ramesh as well, and I will give you good, because I don't know what kind of things you guys are learning from this course. So I'll take in, some insights from them, from Vinay or from Varun, and I'll give you a good introduction and what things we can add in your introduction. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Hi Kalyan, how are you doing?
Hi ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, good evening Kalyan. You can introduce yourself.
Good evening ma'am. My name is Chandra Kalyan Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad. My native place is Mahbub Nagar. So I completed my degree in 2021, BCom Computer, and afterwards I completed my MBA in 2023 in the field of IT specifications. So from 2021 I was working in the SBI as a contract role as a desktop support engineer. From that I chosen a path on network first. But after that I was taking a gap from the networking course from due to some family situation. Now recently in the month of November I decided to learn the networking course at any cost. So I was choosing on the YouTube and search on Udemy also. So one fine day I found the Tungabhadra networks and I was eagerly to join in the Tungabhadra network. So I joined and I was learning. Now recently, in the month of December, I was applied to the City Career, City company. So sorry, recently I got an opportunity in the city. I think I'm expecting this week. I'm gonna take an interview of the city. So I'm waiting for that.
So waiting for response from them, or you have already given the interview.
I didn't give interview. I'm waiting for the response. I have discussed the discussion is going about the package.
Okay, so
They
you
are
are discussing about the
3.2.
package.
Yeah, they are saying 3.2. I was expecting something 3.5 like that. So this is my introduction.
Okay, Kalyan. We will discuss about how to code the package front of an HR. Okay, but let's first continue with everyone's introduction, and then we will continue with the packages and all. There is a part, today's part, we will discuss how to code the package as well. Hi Govind Raj, we will continue with you now. First of all, I think you have been attending. I think you have attended earlier sessions.
Yes, yes, two classes attended. I want to continue from third day from now
Okay.
onwards.
So you have to be very punctual with these classes, because
Okay.
if you will attend 2 days, 3 days, they won't be giving any, help. It won't be helpful.
For
You have to
experienced people
continue.
also you are conducting daily or else it is in a weekly weekends
No,
classes.
for experience, it will be like weekends only, and
Okay.
for people who are fresher, they can join 3 to 4 times.
Sure, I'll connect weekends.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So 5 to 7 timing is good for you guys. Just give a thumbs up if you guys are okay with 5 to 7 weekend.
See, in weekends 5 to 7 maybe people have some personal work, so it is better connect like night evening 8 to 9. All people say they will done with work and they will came back to home. So it is possible.
Oh, well, guys, I only have 2 days of my weekends. So after
Yeah, I can
conducting this session,
understand that
I go
like
outside.
most of the experienced people say like they have also like 1 to 2 weekends,
Earlier, I can do
two,
early,
2 days in a
exactly.
weekend, right? Maybe they'll go
Whether
for
it is possible to make morning section, it's will help.
morning 9 to 10. It is better, Ashwini.
9 to 11. 10, no, 11. No. Okay, let me discuss this with Ramesh and I'll get back to you guys with this. Because I used to conduct in afternoon only, like around 3 to 5. But
That
then
is better. 3 to 5, 3 to 4, or 2 to 5. It is better. 2 to 4 are also better because
2 to
evening
4 is
like
also fine for me.
uh,
Please put a poll, Ashwini.
that is better, Ashwini, because like few people say maybe they spend with at home like with
Right.
a family member. So that is the thing we are getting
Because
into.
Because see, it was used to be 2 to 4 earlier, but then I got to know that people weekends, they feel lethargic and they sleep at afternoon. They won't
Uh,
be that much of energetic for this
uh,
session.
Maybe
So
some people's
then
like coming from like night shift, they need to like sleep at least 8 hours. Maybe they are ready to attend this due to that sleeping mode. So that is the problem.
that you have to understand me as well. I work for 14 hours and I'm doing night shift. That's the reason. So this is what I have a time of 12 after 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. anytime I can take sessions. Okay. Because on weekends I try to sleep a lot because I don't get sleep in the weekdays. But I am ready to compromise this 2 hour shift between 12 to 4. Because once I come from office, I I have decided from one day I will go gym as well because sitting at home and or every weekend eating junk food, I am literally getting healthy, more than healthy, you can say as fat. So I have decided to go gym, but still, I have decided that I would take 2 hour session anytime, but not in the morning because in the morning there is a lot of chaos at everyone's house. Okay, it's weekend time. Every family is, your family member will only come and disturb you in the mornings at time because they are very active in the morning. They will make some breakfast and everything, and they will come to you, do this, do that. It's not just about me. It's not me. My parents won't disturb me. They know if they disturb me in this session, what is the next part, so they don't disturb me in between the session. But I have got this response from the other candidates previous batch that in the morning time they have a lot of chaos at their house, and they are not able to concentrate that much in this session, so morning time was not suggested by them. So then I decided afternoon time. Then we have taken afternoon shift. But then I got a feedback that in afternoon shift we eat on weekends like healthy non-veg food and all those things, and we feel very lazy. So then I decided, okay, that's fine. You guys sleep in the afternoon and we will take sessions in 5 to 7 time. So it will be better time. Now I got to know that 5 to 7 is also not a good time. Now I'm not understanding what should I do.
Let's put a poll, Ashwini. Better.
That's better,
Let's
Ashwini.
put the poll. Okay, let's put the poll. Today's session we will complete. I'll discuss with Ramesh about this. That give me a good time, and then we will decide what needs to be done. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So afternoon time, I think a lot of people here are okay with afternoon time itself. So you tell me, we will decide. But guys, first give me the timing. So I'll put a poll.
For me, anytime I'm okay.
Oh, see, Harshvardhan, I will clap for you. Thank you, man. Someone is saying any time is fine for me.
Me also.
For me, 2 to 4, Ashwini.
2 to 4. Okay, 2 to 4. I'll put a poll for 2 to 4. Lakshmi, do you have any say here?
Better 2 to 4.
2 to 4. Okay. I don't know the person's name, but SS Rao 2021 Damu. So, what is your name? Guys, this is a request. When you join a meeting, just put your name here because how will I understand what is your name and what I have to call?
Actually, my name is Venkat, but I have logged through my wife mobile. My mobile was charged.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's
Because
okay.
see, boy's name is also Lakshmi, so
Yeah, yeah,
it
yeah.
can.
It can be.
Okay, so Venkat. Okay, so if Lakshmi joins, I no, I will be knowing that it is Venkat.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, now who is SS Rao? I want to know the name. Will you unmute yourself and tell me your name? It's okay. I won't make fun of you. Are you not? Is there any network issue with you? You can put a chat. Put your name in chat box. Just send a text message in the chat box if you're not able to speak. Or you can just drop and join again so you won't face any issues. You have again muted yourself. Oh, hello, madam. I am driving. Okay, thank you so much. Can you tell me your name as well? Once you reach, just ping in the group, so we'll take your introduction later. But I would definitely like to know your name. Okay. So where are we? Where were we? Sorry. Okay, Govindraj, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Already done the previous class. In previous class.
Yeah, but I just in this all chaos, I want you to because a lot of people have again joined. So can you just do it? I just wanted to, schedule some changes needs to be done. So yeah.
Let's practice, brother. We will learn from you
Okay,
also.
sure. Yeah. Thank you, Ashwini, giving this opportunity. Myself, Govinda Pagadala. I am from Kannur district. I did my MBA graduation from JNT Anantapur. Later, I joined in Genpact India Private Limited as a L1 support. Here, we supported primary users for like end support first level troubleshoot issues like system performance issue, like Outlook issues, like any black screen error issue, network connectivity issue. For this, we are using like a tools. One is ServiceNow is digital ticketing tool. From this, users can raise their issues to intimate the problem for the service desk, as well as we assist to activate multi-factor authentication users in order to safeguard the organization data. And also we use like one of the tool like Active Directory to onboard the new joining employees to create credentials in that and to access any applications from the client. Later, I joined in like a work and software services in the private limited here L2 support. So here also we used like a one is ServiceNow tool and is like Azure Active Directory. One more thing is a SCCM. It is in a center configuration manager. It is a Microsoft tool. So here also we created new journey employees credentials in Azure Active Directory. We need to update users profiles up to date, and we need to make it them like active or inactive based upon their request. And we have like created some groups for the users to access the client tools, whether they need to perform on like some project like a testing software development and coding as well. And here also we are using like MO365 tool to assigning licenses and assigning licenses. Like for this purpose, every organization they need to use like some common applications like sorry, Outlook and MS Word, MS Excel, Word. For this we are using like licenses, both like power automation license as well. And also we created a distribution list in this admin center to pass the communication whole like mass of employees at the same time in a single group as well. And also we are good to try new join employees and improve their like knowledge part of knowledge part in order to solve the client issues, like any system related issue, their access issue, their password related issues, and as well also we are like updating the SOPs, like standard operating procedure, in order to like if we have any like new procedure and new process like adopted by the client, like anything like patching issues and patches updates, all these we need to update in documentation, we need to share with the team, and they need to follow that one. And also we are conducting contacting with the client within call, and to checking the call quality analyst, when while users like supporting to the client, in order to checking the whether they're following the parameters or not, and in order to checking their voice quality and voice knowledge, voice quality and voice performance, and their root cause analysis and the troubleshoot issues they are provided well and fine, or it is a correct resolution or not. Also we are up to date the client procedures, any compliance issue related to device issues, device should be compliance, it should be fall under compliance policy. If there is not fall under, and we need to block them. And my hobbies are like cooking, and I am playing badminton. Thank you.
First of all, it was wonderful and much better than last time. But as others can also see, he has lot of experience. Okay, so he has elaborated that experience, also concentrated on the tools as well, like Snow and multiple tools, whatever he has worked. So suppose if that's mentioned in the job description and he is explaining that, so I as an HR I have learned about those job description, those tools, and he is saying the multiple things about the tools. I don't know what how the tools works, but I know the name of that tool. Okay, he's concentrating on that tools. He's fast because he has told me whatever I am looking for. I am looking for that particular word, and he's using that word in the introduction itself. It means he knows about that. Okay, this way it will work. So he has explained it very well. His communication skills are also good. A little bit accent is there, but it's fine. Accent issue will can resolve, and that we will also learn. But he has a very good introduction. He has concentrated because he knows everything. He has concentrated on his skills. Now, if you are a fresher, you concentrate on something else. Yeah, Govindraj, it was very nice. Thank you so much. And yeah, Koti Damu has given his name, and he's saying he has 4 years of experience on networking and FortiGate firewall, and I regained my position. I'm facing many problems with English language. I didn't perform interviews. Okay, we will discuss this once you are free. Okay, Koti, it's the correct, right? Okay, you wanted to raise your hand. Do you want to speak? Okay, first get free and then you can speak. Okay, Koti? Okay, now Venkat. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Thanks for giving this opportunity. This is Venkat. I'm having total 11.8 years experience in telecom domain under VAS, managed VAS services. My client is Bharati Airtel. We will look after all managed services of VAS related to MCA, SMSC, USSD, different services related to VAS. My roles and responsibilities, we will do the O&M or maintenance operations, daily monitoring the server status, alarms, hardware faulties, any new integrations. And we used to use different tools like HLR, HSS, IMS network. Mainly our focus is like totally we'll be interact with the client and customers. We'll mainly focus on customer complaints where they are facing different VAS related issues, and and different services, and we'll be planning upgradations. And related to networking also, we'll be coordinating with our techland team, infra team, power related issues, infra. It's like one-to-one interactions with the different vendors. We are having different vendors like Ericsson, Nokia, Telenity, M-Corban. Mainly we'll have the vendor management focus, and we daily we have to monitor the KPIs and sync up calls with the client, and daily operations review and interaction with the client related to all VAS related issues, any hardware related issues, or KPI related issues. And if any outage related issue, if any outage, then we need to share the root cause to that outage and KPI sign off. And my hobbies are playing cricket and cooking.
Okay. So you can a lot of things, but because you have a lot of experience,
Yes, yes.
and yeah. So let me give you an example, guys. Here, I'll give you my introduction. First of all, I'll say I'll enter into the interview room and I say hi, and then, like good afternoon. Then she will ask me. She will tell her name. Okay, whoever. Like I say, I'm an HR. I'll say Ashwini. Hi, my name is Rebecca or whatever, and I'm an HR from this company. Then she will say, could you please introduce yourself? Then I will respond to her. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Ashwini Valmiki. I have around 6 years of experience, and I have completed. I'm currently pursuing my post graduation from Wellington College, and I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University in BCom, commerce background. Then I will start with my work experience because I have a lot to say about my work experience. So I'll tell her that I started my career from Infinix Service Private Limited as a process associate, where my work was rectifying and validate errors as requested by the client, and to record the insurance related information, generate error report, and save in Word Excel sheet. Discuss updates with team members and team coach. Keep process related information confidential. Regular follow ups and proper communication with the client for any queries or any update in process. Maintain Excel sheets with a proper updates. Then I started working with Rexis Group as an HR project coordinator, which was my dream job because I wanted to so I will concentrate on HR because I am giving an interview for HR. Okay. So I will not talk more about the unnecessary experience. I will focus on the HR project coordinator or HR related jobs. Okay. So basically that I'll tell that because I wanted to be an HR, so I have switched to HR field. Uh, and this Infinix Private Limited, I worked as a like I was doing that with my graduation. I started working in 2019 when I was in second year. Okay, so this was just for kind of pocket money I've been working. So, but still, because it's mentioned, it was a PF deduction there. So I have mentioned in the resume. Otherwise, I've been removed it. But as it has a PF in my because in any reputed company they check your PF account. So definitely it will show there. So I have mentioned it in my resume as well. Otherwise, I would have removed it. So okay. So now the actual experience my comes here. Okay, so I started career. I started working as an HR project coordinator with Rex Group. Uh, so there my roles and responsibility was examining the scope of work and determining the client's needs, finding engineers using LinkedIn, Indeed, and Naukri, adapting the scope to the engineer knowledge and experience, asking for pertinent question and conducting on the top stuff, spot on the spot interviews. So basically, I've been taking a lot of interviews for the candidates whom I used to give to the client. So I'll mention this as well as it's just a knowledge for you guys as well. Yeah, I've taken a lot of interviews for engineers, but I don't know anything about the technical things that much. I know about job description, I look for those skills in that resume, and I will concentrate what the candidate is saying, and I will little bit Google search about it. That's it. Considering and negotiating a wage range, obtaining cost clearance from the accounts teams after reaching an agreement with the engineers on payment terms, coordinating with clients over email, coordinating with engineers on the project, coordinating with engineers keep process related information confidential, conduct team meetings and assigning projects to the team, vendor management. Then I started working with team leads. Team leads as I was working as a recruiter and it was a Indian recruitment. So there also I was examining the scope of work and determining the client's needs, coordinating with clients because this is the same, so I will not concentrate it that much because all my work was same only. Then I will say, then I started working with Dyson, that I was a technical recruiter, and there I was working with the client of Capital One, which was a IT client, and there I was using the application of Bullhorn, Job Diva, then Career Builder, Monster, Dice. These are the application I was using to find the candidate, and I was working on the projects. Like I was working on the candidates which are related to networking engineer, data analyst, a developer like Java developer or the sorry guys, give me a moment. Yeah. So I will tell them that what kind of candidates I was working: data analyst, Java developer, project manager, networking engineers, DevOps engineers, or the cloud engineers. So these kinds of skills I was working. So I will more concentrate, and the main part will be is that what is the motto, what is the job description says. If the job description is require an IT recruiter, I'll tell them more about IT recruitment. Now I am working in TCS, but I don't do that much of recruitment here. I am doing onboarding. Basically onboarding means I am looking for something like I am working. So what are the tools? Now I will concentrate on tools. What are the tools I am using as a TCS employee? I'm working on Workday. I'm working on HireRight. I'm working on I3 screening. So HireRight I'm working for background check. I3 screening I'm working for drug test. And Workday is our portal where I manage all the candidates and I hire them. That's the tool. There is a ticketing tool called Work Life Ticket. So these are the tools which I am using. Then there is a My Learning tool which where I enroll the candidates for the orientation. So these are the tools. So I will mention first the tools which I am working. Then I will also mention that what is my job in TCS. First of all, hiring the candidates, then releasing their offer letter. So first of all, hiring the candidates, first scheduling their interview with the hiring manager. Then once the candidate is selected, then giving them the offer letter. Once they accept the offer letter, starting their background check, like their onboarding, like their background check, drug test, medical. This is all happens in US. Okay, my client is USA, US based client. So this is their process. So they do background check, export control, and they do drug test and medical screening. These are the points they generally do. So this is all the things they do. So yeah, so this is what is my introduction. So I tell those things to the HR. All this after saying, then I'll say my hobby is traveling. If she asks anything extra, then I'll explain what wherever I have traveled. If not, then I will just say thank you for giving me this opportunity. Sorry, not thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm really sorry for that. So okay, yeah, thank you. If you have any specific questions, please ask. I'll be glad to answer that. So lot of things are there. If you are experienced, give them a real based example as well, whatever you have done in your current project. Okay, now comes to strength and weakness. I'll ask particular one person about strength and weakness, and then we will discuss what should we say. Okay, Dheeraj.
Hello.
Yeah. What is your strength?
What is it going to get a good job in reputable company on networking?
Sorry, can you please repeat? Be confident. Whatever you're saying, be confident only.
Okay. I want to secure a good job in networking engineering.
I'm asking you the strength. What is your strength?
So,
You will get secure
okay.
a good job. But what is your strength? Strength is like,
Accuracy.
your what is good in you. Like, you are honest, you are flexible, you are dedicated, you are disciplined. What is your strength?
I am easily mingle with others with and doing.
Confidence, Dheeraj. You are saying it correct. You need the confidence.
Okay.
If you're saying wrong only, talk with the confidence. No, no problem.
Okay. I am self-disciplined and dedicated. I am easily mingle with others and friendly in my surroundings. I make a good environmental to friends and with others.
That's a good answer. Now, what is your weakness?
Weakness. I do. I can do work with one. My weakness is my patience now. Hello.
Yeah.
Present, I have my weakness is
Okay, okay. So, you can say overthinking is a weakness, or analytical, human analytical, or introvert. Introvert you can't say because you say it. But
okay.
yeah, procrastinators can be a weakness. Okay,
Okay.
Harsha, can you say?
Yeah, my strengths are flexible and honest, and my weakness is if anything wrong happens in front of me, immediately I will open my mouth.
It's true.
That is my weakness.
That's a true. That's true. Actually, that's not a weakness, but yeah, in corporate, it's a weakness. You cannot say anything because if you say anything, then you know the
Because
politics
of
of
honesty,
corporate.
no? Because of my strength.
Yeah, being honest is also a
Being
crime in
Harsha, it is
corporate
difficult.
world. Yeah, it's difficult actually. Being yourself is very difficult.
Uh,
Agree with you, Harsha, on this. It happens with
yeah,
me a lot.
everybody will face.
They will get specifically. They will get you know
Mm,
offense. This is the offense for them.
mm.
True, true. Agree. This was good one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Kalyan, what about you?
And ma'am, my strengths are I will work honestly on my job description, and I will quick learner. My weakness are I have a fear to talk in public or any meeting.
Introverted, basically.
Yeah, like that only, man.
Don't say I have a fear to talk in meeting. Man, that's the job of ours. So just mention that I'm an introverted. It takes me time to get in with the lot of people like that.
Okay,
Yeah, just say that I'm introverted or it takes me time to get in to the people. That is fine. Involvement is, getting involved, it takes time.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now, Venkat.
strength is accuracy.
Okay.
The thing should be perfect. Due to that, I won't get some approvals and benefits.
Oh, true,
And
true.
my weak
Corporate
asking too much.
weakness is asking too much, multitasking
Multitask.
too much. Yeah, that's true. Accuracy, multitasking too much. Both together.
Yeah.
How?
See, if my strength, whenever any process is going, like suppose if any CR cab meeting is there, I used to hear the plan, but I require that plan to be executed in the perfect manner. But sometimes some issue will be happened. Again, that will be cancelled. Again, I'll get some issues with manager. So due to that,
You can't say this much of truth in interview. Venkat.
and sometimes I do my manager work as well.
That everyone is doing. I am an SME. Like I am the process specialist. I have to do my work. I have to take care of all these people also, and then I have to do the managers like who lead works as well. This
That
is
but I'm due to that I'm not getting any benefits, right? Like I'm doing his task, he is getting the like
credits.
yes.
You how I can explain you as an TCS employee how much appraisal I am getting for doing three people work together. You can't even imagine.
I am managing totally 5 circles.
Hmm. So,
So
what is your position at this moment? What is your level?
I am member of technical staff too, like senior engineer, SE.
Same. I am an SME senior.
So I'll be coordinating with a number of people. Daily I'll be in calls only.
First of all, we have to manage our work, then others' work as well, and then manager work as well. And then we are getting nothing.
So I'll be having 24/7. I should be there in 24/7, and if even I am having night activities also, morning I need to log in and coordinate. It's a telecom sector, na. It's a,
Yeah. So, it's just an advice, guys. I do it by myself now. I have started because when I used to work a lot, when I used to give my 100%. Recently, I got to know about my appraisals, and then I have decided after working this much, we won't get anything. Now, what
that
I do
was
is I will do my work. If my lead asks me to do something, I'll just pretend that I am doing something, and I will ask her to do by herself because I have lot of tasks to do. Because after doing all this, her work, my work, team's work, this is something kind of we can say our corporate pressure. We have to tackle with it. But when you work on something, right? Don't let them get your credit. When you're doing it now, if your manager, upper level management is going in front of them, just do it front of them. Oh, just my lead. I will call her lead. Okay, I won't disclose her name, but I'll say XYZ. I have completed this. You asked me to complete this. No, I have completed. Okay. So at least you will come into that attention that you are doing that job, not she. So if they are passing from there, just shout, I have completed this task. So at least he will also know that she is not doing that. You are doing it. You are doing work from office, right? Venkat?
These are the
yeah,
corporate
no.
politics.
Actually, we are working from home only.
Okay, in the meeting only they ask no updates.
Yes. In review meeting, they'll be asking this updates, but
Yeah, every day
our
there
manager
will be
instead
a
of
daily
me, my
huddle.
manager will shout.
Yeah,
That
so
is the politics. That's why I choose CCNA and I need to jump from this domain.
yeah, so in any company, when this comes like that, no, when they ask about your daily huddle in the daily huddle, then when they ask about updates, tell everything whatever you have done.
No, if I next time onwards you won't join that call, you won't share that link also to join that review meeting.
No, no, he won't. Just indirectly say this.
That is my problem actually. He's having good rapport with my client. My manager is having. Even though I'm also having good rapport, but they will be talking each other on daily basis. But whenever I'll discuss with client whenever I'm having any approvals or any activities or internal meetings, then only I need to have a word with the client.
Okay. Then it's difficult because I work from office. What I do is now I have started doing it because if I do anything, I'll just shout. My manager sits, if she's passing beside me, or she's sitting somewhere beside me, or something somewhere near to me, I'll just shout, XYZ, I have completed this, okay? I have sent this data to someone, or I have taken the team's count, how much they have worked, and this and that. So now she will look at me, and then I'm like, yes, I have done this, not she.
But sometimes my manager will also support in some outages or in some many malfunction in hardware and this one. He'll be supporting in that case also. At that time he'll look like God. Sometimes he'll look like a devil.
That's something they will show you that they are doing this for your benefits and all, but they are taking all your efforts.
Yes, yes. That is only my problem actually.
Showcase your skills to everyone, not keep it limited with yourself. Whenever you get a chance, there is some team meeting or team or
Yes.
some client meetings. Show yourself, you have done those things. Because if you won't show this, that you are struggling and you are doing all those things, then definitely he will definitely take your credits.
Okay.
Yeah. Now,
Thank you.
welcome. Tricky interview questions. Now, tell me about yourself. They ask, you have to keep your answer short, elaborate on experience and goal relating to the applied position. Summarize your resume and talk about transition and employment. Then, why did you leave your previous job? This is the biggest question mark when people talk about this. So, yeah, so if you have a job seeking for a great opportunity, got fired, just mention parted ways and change the topic to your accomplishments. Do not say got fired because never say this. Okay, you can just say I have seeking for a greater opportunity only. Laid off, then it's okay. You just say recession related things or whatever laid off. Then what is your range of salary? Kalyan, this is the answer for you. Always say negotiable. Okay, give them a ratio that I am looking for a minimum, like you were expecting 3.5 as a package, right?
Yes, ma'am. She said 3.2, that's why I said 3.7. Actually, I
Yeah.
was expecting 4 LPA.
Hmm. So whenever you want to, whatever your highest expectations, like if you have the expectation of 4, suppose I'm giving an example, you have expectation of 4 LPA, give them a ratio of 4 LPA to 6 LPA negotiable. It's negotiable, like this. So whatever is your highest whatever expectations is your highest, give them a highest expectations. And also ask them what is your budget, what is your budget for this position. You can ask, what is the accommodation what is your budget to for this position. Then you can also find out what others are making with the same position in the area from www.salary.com. This is an application where you can find it out what others are making for the same position in the prospective area, also with the experience. So you can go and find it out and research. And lot of research about that company as well. And research what others are making. There are multiple applications. Go ahead and find it out. The standard market rate. and then negotiate this. So then tell them I have researched about this position, and people are making this much of amount. Still, I am expecting 4 lakh to 6 lakhs, and I'm negotiable with this particular amount, whatever you are giving to him. This is the way you can, and then you can also tell them that I have expanded my skills. I have upskilled my skills with doing CCNA course from this. I have also learning these things, new skills, whatever applications or whatever things you are learning new. Add those things. I have upskilled my skills this much for this position, so I think I am capable enough to get this much of amount. So there is a way to convey a salary negotiation here. Suppose my HR is saying that, okay, she said, what is your expectation? So my answer will be, first, can you tell me what is your budget, or what is the accommodation you are expecting to give this position? If she says 4 lakhs, suppose, but I will say that I have researched about this position, and what are the standard salary people are making is around 6 lakhs, but I expect and my expectation is around 4 to 6 lakhs, which is negotiable. This we can do, and then can you tell me what is the best you can offer me? Then she will say, suppose 4.5 lakh, I think 5 lakh is the best which I can do. And then quote it like this: first you have to research, and then you can say this. Okay, just do not say directly, just research about little bit about this, and then now what are your goals for future? Explain that you want to excel and be known for your skills. Mention how you see yourself having more responsibilities within the company. Give example of positive results that you will make. So basically, when you ask what are the future goals, let me just give you some examples for this.
Hello.
Hi, yeah, I'm just looking for something. Just give me 2 minutes, guys.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Do you have any question for me?
No, no, no.
Okay. So, my first question is, like the HR's question is, where do you see yourself in next few years? So, a few of the goals I have set for myself over the next few years, including acquiring management skills within my position to upskill my knowledge. I also reviewed your website, and I drawn to the training programs that your company offers. I would learn new skills and grow within my position. So, first of all, before going an interview, so research about the company, what are the trainings they are giving, what are the trainings they are providing, and what are the scopes of getting a managerial level position in that company. All those things, how much the strength of the company, like how many people are working in that company, who is the CEO of company, who is the VP of that company. Before going an interview, if you know about the interviewer's name. So, sorry if I'm going fast. If I know who is the interviewer, I research about that interviewer, what kind of person he is. I'll find it out his LinkedIn profile. I'll send him a connection. I'll see his profile, how much he has a work experience. So all this, research about before going an interview. That is my humble request. Just do not go as like you should show something is special in you. You know more about rather than other people. You know more about it. So this is what, and show them how different you are from that hundred of people came for the interview, but you are a different person. You know a lot about market. You know a lot about the company. You know a lot about that person who is taking your interview. So try to get more knowledge about that company, that interviewer, and then go for with the preparation of that interview. I can assure you nobody can reject you if you have more knowledge and a good communication skills as well, definitely. So yeah, where you see yourself, a few of the goals I have set for myself over the next few years, including acquiring a management skills within my position, upskill my knowledge. I also reviewed your website and I drawn to the training program that your company offers. I would learn new skills and grow within my position. Now, if you have a career gap, you can just tell them, I was preparing for an exam, so I took a break for preparation. However, it did not went as per the plan. But yes, it did teach me patience and perseverance. So now I have started again to work with the career. Now, there is a very tricky question which HR asks. What was the challenge you were facing and how you overcome that challenge? They are checking your problem solving skills, not the. Basically, if I'm asking what are the challenges, she's not asking your challenges. She's checking how you resolve the challenges, how you overcome with that challenges. So when she's asking the challenges, tell them. Suppose I am giving you an example. I was doing a project where there were a lot of changes were happening, but because of that, lot of errors were coming due to manual work. So what we have done, we have added some automation in that tracker, and now there are less errors. So this is how I overcome with that challenge. So when she asks what are the challenges you have faced, tell them an example and how you overcome with that challenge. Now there is a question from HR: why should we hire you? So for a fresher, it's as a fresher, I'm looking forward to start my career with a reputed company. So I strongly believe that this company will give me an excellent opportunity to establish my skill and knowledge in the corporate world. For experience, it is I believe I have the combinations of skills and experience necessary to excel in the role. I have the ability to manage multiple tasks. This makes me the perfect candidate for this job. Tell them how good you are for this company, how this company can give you a position, and how you can make it good for them. That how you will give them a positive results, that you will make a you are a asset for them. Show them that you are an asset for them. Now, before going an interview, what you should know, I have already said that research the company and your interviewers. Practice your answer to common interview questions, which I just said. Why should we hire you? Where are you seeing yourself in next few years? What should be your answers? You can make your own answers as well. This is just an example that I have given to you guys. Study the job description and note required skills, quality, and experience. As I said, required skills, you should concentrate on required skills. And also, if you don't know about qualities, just research about it, just have a theoretical knowledge and tell them about this. I have an idea about it, I have a knowledge, and tell them whatever knowledge you have. Answer question using the STAR method. Now, what is STAR method? STAR method is situation, task, action, and result. So basically, any situation based or whatever you have done. Like suppose you were in a project where there was a circumstances, how gracefully you have handled it. Give that example to them. Recruit a friend to practice answering questions. I will say use an AI now. It's been technological. Be prepared with example of your work. Plan your interview attire the night before. You can do it in the same day if it is afternoon, but if it is the morning, be with a good attire. Prepare smart questions for your interviewers. Next pages of smart questions I have prepared. If you guys want to refer that, you can. Bring copies of your resume. Notebook pen is not required, but please, before going an interview, if you're going for an interview, please keep your resume. It's a very big red flag if you don't have the resume before the interview. Tie your answers back to your skills and accomplishments, whatever you have earned in this years of your experience. So just focus on those things. Now, what are the questions you should ask to the HR? So it shows that how interested you are in this position, and there is two ways communication. There is not going as one way communication. So when we go as an HR, I want you to communicate with me as well. It should not be a one way communication. You should also ask me some question. So these are the questions which you can ask to an HR. Can you elaborate on the day to day responsibilities this job entails? What are the characteristics of someone who would succeed in this role? What's the most important thing I could do to help within the first 90 days of my employment? What are some of the challenges you have seen people in this role or on this team encounter? If I were in this job, you would how would you measure my performance? Okay, or how would my performance be measured? So basically, you are asking her that you are already assuming that you are in this position, and what is the measurement of their performance? What does the career like path for someone in this role look like? So this is shows that how interested you are in this position and how you can be an asset to this company. How motivated you are by yourself itself, self motivated person you are. What other functions or departments does this team work with of most of it? What does your job look like day to day, and how would you anticipate working with the person in this role? And what do you like best about working here? So these are 9 questions, but you can ask any one of them to one or two. Not no needed to ask every question, but one or two question can be asked. Like this question can be asked by everyone. What do you like best about working here? If you ask her, she will do some buttering. She will talk good things about the company. She will be cursing only, but she will say good things about the company. But this will show how much interested you are for this position and how self motivated you are as a person. So this is a way to two ways communication will be there, and these are the good and legit questions you can ask to an HR or anybody who is taking your interview. You can even ask this question to the technical person as well. What do you like best about working here? Or what is or what other functions or department does this team work with most often? Or what does your job look like day to day? And how would you anticipate working with the person in this role? The eighth question can be asked to the technical manager as well. Guys, it is going too much. Please let me know to stop, or if you have any question, just stop me at the same moment so I can help you. Is it good? Is it bad? What is? Give me response.
Yeah, good only.
Okay. So what do you understand from these things? Is it working good way? Is it giving any helps to you guys? Do you
Yeah,
want something to add?
Yeah, it is helpful for us.
Do you want any questions answered, or do you want me to add anything?
No, sometimes HRs will not disclose the budget of that position. At that time, we can tell them like the
Okay, it is not disclosing. Okay, go ahead, Venkat.
they won't disclose the budget of that position, right? At the time, we can say the answer like such what you have given suggestion. Such, we have such and
Yeah, so I have researched about this position, and as per the market standard, but as per the market standard market, this is the budget. Like this is the salary ratio, which is given to this position.
okay,
Like
that
you
we
can
can,
say, I
right?
find out what others are making for this position, and this is some around 4 lakh to 6 lakhs. So I also expect 4 to 6 lakhs as a salary.
Okay,
Hence, I have upskilled my skill for this position better than them, and then I always negotiable part is there, but it is negotiable as I
okay,
am very interested for this position.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah. So show them how good you are for this position, and you have also researched on market as well. So like your job market, you have searched a lot of things, and then you came for an interview. So these are the things they can consider, that you're just not coming, washing your face and coming for an interview. you have researched a lot.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's take 5 minutes break. Do you want me to say? Do you want to say something?
No, no, I'm saying thank you.
Okay. So there will be one more, just 15 to 20 minutes more. Let's take a break for 6:30. Drink water or whatever you want to do, and then we will start with the next chapter, which is a very small chapter, but very helpful for your communication. Else you are going on walk.
Yes, yes.
Okay, continue, continue. Health is also important. Actually, health is important, not also. It is only important thing.
Health is only the important thing for us.
Yeah. Okay, everyone is back. Say 30, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about Kalyan is gone. Oh, 40 is also gone. Okay. Can I start, guys? Are you there? Govind,
Yes,
Dheeraj,
yes.
Venkat, are you there?
I think
So
they've
now,
taken 10 minutes.
sorry.
I think they have taken the break at for 10 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Meanwhile, I'll just explain you what is the topic. So we need to improve our communication skills. It's boring, I know, but we have to. No choice. So there are some, series and there are some books which can help us to improve our communication skills, and there are applications as well. So I think everyone is there, supposed to be there. Because Venkat, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
Okay. So whoever present, however, the session is also getting recorded, so no worries. So let's start with the sessions. Now, basically, why it is important to improve our communication skills, because we have to survive in the corporate level. So now, what is the easier way to improve your communication is watching Netflix or web series, because we watch it. So yes. So the best way is the daily things which we do is Netflix or the movies we watch, and yeah. So now let me ask you guys, what are your choices? Let's start with Venkat. What do you like to watch? Romantic, horror, thriller?
It's thriller.
Okay. What about you, Harsh?
Everything.
Everything. Harsh's answer is very, like he's available anytime. He like everything. Like, full chill. Like Mumbai people, we say chill guy.
We need to
Hmm.
know.
Yeah, we need to. Actually, we need to.
One chance.
Hmm. Do you like traveling? I can see mountains in your profile
Yeah,
picture.
yeah.
Like wherever you, like I also like I do like traveling. Just now I came from Kumbh Mela and Varanasi, so would
That's
like
one
to know.
completed. I have completed that in 2016. That Kumbh Mela, I
Oh,
think.
nice. But this one was more auspicious because it came
Yeah, more
in.
stampedes are going on in that Kumbh Mela. That's why I'm not going.
See, basically now to it is ended only because 12th was the actual date of end of the Kumbh Mela. But this government has made this things like 26th of because of Shivratri and all those. But to be very honest, it was there till 12th only. But like the what we say that Murat,
Hmm.
like yeah, the timing was till 12th of Feb only. But the arrangements were very good. I think these are all rumors. I feel because until unless you
Oh,
won't go and see
arrangements
it,
also good, but stampedes also
yeah,
going on.
stampede did happen because of their internal politics and all those things. I think stampede happened. But if you go and see the arrangements are too good. And literally, I went there
Yeah.
and you can see my pictures as well. It
Yes,
was
yes.
like, yeah,
True.
it was standard. Like a lot of people are going, and whoever actually went then, whoever was actually went there, na, they're only saying that the arrangements are very good and it was good. Only that day, once the stampede happened due to unnecessary things, but the major issues are people are not listening to the police and the management people there. They are requesting them every minute, to say, please be aside from that sangam and do not stand there or do not sleep there, but people are not listening to them and they are facing those issues. Otherwise, if you follow the rules, if you listen to the police and the management people, definitely there won't be any issues only.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I do like to travel. So you can just let us know about your travel stories wherever you have traveled.
I went to the Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar,
Oh yeah, nice place.
and the Kulu Manali and Ooty. After that, Bangalore, Coorg, and Araku. So many places I have covered, but so many are pending also.
Hey, even mine are a lot of people things are pending. What
I
about
think
you?
almost.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
okay, carry on, carry on.
no. I just wanted to ask you, like, have you done any international trip?
No, at present, I'm not thinking about international trip. But my brother is in Germany. Maybe in next year I will plan.
Nice, nice. And yeah, go ahead, go ahead. I would like to know more stories about your travel. Like, how many places so far you have covered?
I think 25 places around.
25 cities or states.
Not states, places only.
Okay.
Almost states are completed. The pending states are only Goa, Mumbai, and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu also visited, but some places only I have visited. Some places are pending. Yeah, I will plan. I will plan.
Okay. Nice, nice. I would like to go Rameshwaram this year. Madurai. Maybe
Okay.
planning
Hmm.
in November or so.
Hmm. India is the best place to travel.
Yeah, actually, we have lot of places to
I think
travel.
we don't need any international trips. It's a
That's
beautiful
true.
country.
That's true. I've traveled a lot and I
So
know.
many different atmospheric conditions are available in India only.
Mm-hmm. Like Udaipur and these things,
Hmm.
like desert is there in
Yeah.
India, then beaches are
Udaipur
there
is
in
for
India, mountains
sports,
is
right?
there. Yeah, fort and all. Then the Rajasthan like deserts, then Kutch run.
Hmm.
Everything is very beautiful in India.
Actually, I have worked in Udaipur, but I am unable to visit the places.
Oh no. Why?
It's my bad luck. That's it.
Actually, it's a bad luck.
Yeah.
I want to go. Actually, I've just my friend went, so I wanted to. I also want to visit Udaipur and Rajasthan. Lot of
Rajasthan also
places are
completed.
pending. Yeah, you are lucky then. You have covered a lot. I wanted to cover little bit. I have covered, but
Amritsar
I want to
also.
cover more.
Amritsar,
Oh, Amritsar also. Yeah,
Jallianwala
maybe
Bagh,
this year.
Parliament, and what is Golden Temple.
Yeah, Golden Temple. Maybe this year my friend is getting married. She is Haryanvi, so maybe my roommate. I'll go Amritsar at that time only. She will be getting
The
married in
prasad is
Chandigarh.
very good.
Hmm.
Actually, I like kachori and samosa in Bhopal.
Oh. Recently, I
Okay.
had a kachori and samosa, like the chole kachori in Banaras.
Mm, it's terrible in my mouth.
It's tasty, but yeah,
Daily, I would like to eat that kachori with dahi and sev.
dahi kachori.
Yeah, I'm from South India, but I like that recipe.
That's true, that's true. But I like dosa more.
Yeah, dosa also I will do, but in that
Yeah,
Bhopal, I have tried that kachori with dahi only. Daily morning, I will take that breakfast only.
dahi kachori.
It's very tasty in Banpur area.
Okay.
That's
What
it.
about you, Venkat? Have you traveled? Do you like traveling? Kalyan, you can also give some.
Yeah, I like traveling. Last year I was in Qatar, Doha.
Qatar. Wow.
I visited different places: Dokan Beach, Sea Line Beach, Port, and at the end of month I tried planning to move to Saudi also, but due to some visa issue I was back to India.
My
And
brother
I
is in
traveled
Saudi.
Coorg, Mysore, Talakaveri, Medicare, Kerala.
You guys are doing well, guys.
And Chennai temples. And I think I traveled Shabarmali 5 to 6 times.
Lucky. Literally lucky, Venkat. Maybe after 50 years, I will go. Once, if I am alive and I'm after 50 years, I'll go Sabrimala.
It's a good place.
Yeah,
It's
I
also
do
good.
want to go.
That prasadam is very nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I had
That's
prasadam
very
of,
good.
yeah, actually that rice prasadam, sweet rice. But yeah, I would like to travel. Like I do want to go Sabrimala, but maybe after when
Literally,
I
I will
get
go
a
for temples only for prasad only.
Harsh, you only going for prasadam only, I think. I go for blessings also.
I have blessings.
Like I am completing my 12 Jyotirling. Like
Okay.
you, if you know 12 Jyotirlings and Char Dham, four dhams. So I have been to
We all are
Odisha.
having blessings. That's why we are able to eat that food.
That's true. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I've been into Orissa also for Jagannath Puri. That's the best place.
Yeah, last month only I went.
Oh my God, very nice. No, the place is very nice.
Yeah, but what happened? I have started at 11:30 in Visakhapatnam. I have reached by 6:30 evening.
Oh,
Roads are very nice, wonderful roads.
I understood. But like, have you seen the beaches and all?
Yeah, that what is that beach? Konark,
Oh,
Konark near to
no.
that Konark temple.
Konark Beach, Nagesh,
Yeah,
some
we are having RK beach in Visakhapatnam. That's why we don't have interest to watch that beach.
beaches. Yeah, yeah. But even
Uh,
even in the like this Konark temple, if you have seen it,
yeah, Konark I
wonderful
visited.
temple. Yeah.
Yeah,
Aisha,
wonderful, but
RK Beach is very good now.
yeah, that's why.
Last month I visited Arku and RK Beach
I
and
will
Arko is
visit.
very
Simhadala.
nice place.
I will visit. Kalyan, you can give your thoughts here. You just don't need to thumbs up. You have to talk. We are discussing something. No laugh. I don't need your emojis. I want you to talk.
No
Yeah,
issue, brother. We will talk. Then only we can be pro.
yeah. We will talk. We will have an interest, and then we will decide if we have to go here and there.
I am also not perfect. That's
I
why I came.
visited Goa in 2020, once Tirupati, and recently I visited Araku and Vizag, Pada, near places. At
How many are from Visakhapatnam?
I am from Kakinada.
Oh, good.
I,
You
పిఠాపురం
can.
ఎమ్మెల్యే గారి తాలూకు
You Kalyan?
ఇట్స్ నియర్ టు మై
from
హౌస్
Telangana, Mahbub Nagar.
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ హౌస్ ఇస్ నియర్ టు మై హౌస్.
Okay.
You are very lucky, brother.
You guys are lucky you are in Andhra and in Mumbai, right? Please think about me as well.
Mumbai also
But I
good,
want
good
to.
place, na? It's having beach.
Yeah, it is good, but as crowded as you know.
Okay, you don't like that
No,
crowd.
I
I
used
do
to stay
like
in
Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai.
In Navi Mumbai. Navi
Yeah.
Mumbai is also good.
Yeah, that's a good place.
I stay
Actually,
in
I saw a
Andheri.
video about Andheri.
Tanderi,
I stay
Tanderi,
in
na?
Andheri only.
It's being developing by Mr. Adani. Is it right?
Yeah, it is like there is an like Andheri is already developed. I think. Like I think I
Andheri
know
or
it.
some
It's a,
slum area is available.
Correct. Andheri.
there is very
There was-
less slum area.
In Andheri, there was one hospital. I remember I am near to that
Only
hospital.
hospital.
It's like Burn peoples will be joined there.
Asia.
In Mumbai, really, Vada Pav is good.
Ah,
It's
it's
very
good
good.
actually. It's very
It's
good.
very good. It's very good.
Actually, you should try Mumbai's vada pav.
And even
Then,
Frankie also is very good.
yeah,
Frankie also very good.
Then even Pani Puri is also good. Like food is only good in Mumbai. Even if I go somewhere else, no, I don't like the food only. I like Mumbai food a lot, but I like South food as well. Like I like dosa, puri bhaji,
Dosa.
and
Yes.
Waghani.
Uggani,
And
Well,
Kurnool famous.
it's my favorite.
In Kurnool, it's a what it is. It's a poor man biryani. It's called as
Okay.
poor man biryani.
Yeah, so yeah, I do like South Indian food like idli vada, sambar.
Actually, I learned that Uggani bhaji in Kurnool only. When I visited Kurnool, after that I have learned from local person.
So my mom makes on weekends, so I do like it. Like it's my favorite breakfast.
Yeah, in North India, we have puha in that Uggani.
Poha, yeah. In Mumbai, it is very famous. Poha. They don't know Waghani.
Puha with seva.
poha and little bit of save on it.
Mm.
We are all
Kachori
a
also very good.
Literally, I'm thinking about food now. What should I eat today weekend? I'm a non-vegetarian. I'm thinking about going nearest restaurant. It's called
Okay.
Kokankatta. They give a very good Malwani food there, which is the
Okay.
Maharashtra's part. So like crab and prawns. I'm a seafood lover also.
Okay. Try Thai green curry.
I had which is very sweet kind of things. Like I had once or
Yeah.
twice in office meetings,
Mm.
like our office parties basically.
Mm. Thai green curry
So
with green chicken.
yeah, green chicken and
Have you
it's
tried
sweet,
Malayalam
right?
Kerala food?
No, I tried Kerala food. My one of my colleague is Kerala, so he brings food.
But
Appam.
it's
He only
they are making with coconut oil.
coconut. Yeah,
We
we make
cannot
it
follow
with
it.
with this.
What it is? Sesame oil or what? Mustard seeds. I
Yeah,
think.
mustard seeds. Yeah,
Mm.
Tengana.
Mm. In Marathi, Tengana.
Yeah, in Hindi and Marathi it is called Shengdana. What is called, mummy?
Kalyan, tell me.
Bud.
bro.
It is Budlu in Telugu.
Okay. In Telugu, that is what it is? Mustard seed.
Avalu, right?
Aval, yes.
Hmm.
Right.
Okay.
Kalyan, tell me what about your.
I like Kerala food. I used to
Your
visit in Kerala restaurants in Hyderabad
Mhm.
because my all colleagues, managers are all from Kerala only.
Okay. That's why you are taking that.
I'm experiencing their food. Whenever they'll come to Hyderabad, they'll take to Kerala restaurant. They'll order appam, puttu, fish, parota.
Idiyappam also is there, na, in
Yes,
Kerala.
yes.
Yeah. It is
Literally, it is made up of maida and
Maida.
chana.
but it is little unhealthy food. Like parota is also little like unhealthy. Unhealthy in the sense
If we take
maida.
maida, we need to take that veggies also. Whatever you are taking that junk food, but we need to before junk food we need to take that veggies.
Salad.
Because
Veg salad.
it's a fiber thing. Our tummy needs fiber, carbohydrates, protein. Pakka.
Oh,
We are
chata.
not giving and the
Every time they'll tell kaicho. What I will eat Kerala food? Kaicho.
chapa
I
kaicho.
like. I
But
had
in Qatar, I had all type of foods. Like I tasted Turkey food, Kerala food, even different seafoods also.
Compared to international foods, our Indian food only is good.
Very
I
good,
think
very
it is
good.
very tasty. I can say this, I've tried multiple cuisines, but whenever I eat anything, no, I feel like Indian food is good only because we can eat it pasta, pizza, all those things once in a while, but every day I want
It is
dal
very
rice.
unhealthy. Spaghetti, pasta.
My spaghetti,
Not at all good.
pasta.
But
Like my comfort food is dal rice,
in international, they'll use only olive oil.
olive oil, yeah.
Yes.
Because of that olive is available in that areas, na? That's why they are
Yes.
using.
But they are using maida only in everything.
Yeah.
But they will take veggies.
Starch,
Veggies
yeah,
also.
but they put veggies in that, and they are
They'll
so
take
thin.
some type of pickles, like all vegetable pickles. They'll dip in vinegar and
Fermented pickles.
fermented
Yeah.
pickles. They'll take.
But in India, when they make it, they make it in an unhealthy way. That's the problem,
Correct.
no?
That's the problem. All will be in deep fry.
If you eat the original Chinese, it is very tasteless. Our Indian people put some masala in it, then it is, we are feeling it is Chinese food is tasty. Real
Indian
Chinese
version of
is just
Chinese
tasteless.
Indian version of Chinese cuisines are available at India.
This Chinese is only available in India. Even China doesn't have it.
China doesn't have that Manchuria also.
Manchurian
You
also
only
they don't.
invented.
Actually,
Hmm.
I had Chinese food in mainland China, and I don't like even sushi. Also, it is just pathetic. I don't know how people eat it. Sorry for the saying this, but I don't like sushi as well. So I had a mainland China. I went to mainland China with my office. There was office party, and then we had it, and I was like, "What? This is a Chinese. This is the real Chinese." And it was just soy sauce and noodles and all those uncooked veggies, but I didn't like it.
Hmm.
I like
That's
local
why I
Indian
said
Chinese.
India is best.
Actually, okay, I
What
have
about
only
you,
10
Kalyan?
minutes, guys. We will discuss this next week. Let me just finish this as soon as possible.
Kalyan is not at all
He doesn't want to talk with us. I don't know why.
sending emojis. Huh?
What
Nothing
happened, Kalyan?
like that.
Do you think I am boring?
No, no, I feel very enjoying your
What do
conversation.
you mean? I am comedy, but then you are not talking to me, not talking with anyone here.
Yeah, as I said, I was like an introvert man. I cannot.
Okay, but you can be an extrovert or ambivert here. It's fine. Introvert also speak with few people. It doesn't mean if you are introvert you don't speak with anyone. You speak with few people, right?
Yeah, I feel inside I want to talk a lot of things, but coming to the reality, I will be scared.
Okay. Next weekend we will talk with you. I'll have some special time for talking with. We will have a special time to talk with Kalyan. Okay, all of three of us, all of people will
Please,
talk with
please
him,
don't do that like me.
and he need to give an answer to us. We will ask him questions. He need to reply.
Don't target me.
I'm not targeting you.
Love is talking.
Yeah.
Accept the
I'm not targeting you. This is the way you will improve your communication skills.
Bro, you already lost one opportunity.
what's that?
Today's class, you are not able to participate now.
Yeah. And you know what? Ramesh said that you are a girl. Lot of boys will talk to you. See, but I know this is not the way. Okay. We are just friends and we have to be, we will talk. He says anything. Like I told Ramesh that, nobody will talk to me if I will like this. He said, don't worry, you are a female or you are a girl. Lot of people will talk to you. But see, Kalyan doesn't wants to talk to me. Oh, he left or what?
No, 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 I'm here.
He's watching.
You scared me, Kalyan.
I'm
Sorry.
here, ma'am.
Okay, no worries, no worries. I know you are an introvert. It will take some time to talk. But let's start with the session. I have a very less time. So let me explain this in a very short uh, time. What are the best series that can help you to improve your communication skills? First is Friends, Never Have I Ever, because these are the movies which are made for global people. So when it is only English, no, we won't be able to understand that much. But when we see people which are made for global, these are easy to understand. Then Money Heist, maybe one of you guys have been seeing this or watched Money Heist. Then there is a movie Goal. These are the horror movies. Games of Karma, Stranger Things, Breaking Bad. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Game of Thrones, Daredevil.
I have
And
watched Games of Thrones complete series.
oh, is it? How is it?
It's good. It's good. Very good actually.
Yeah. And then there are some love stories. Nobody wants this. Bridgerton, Crash Landing on You, and Outlander. Now, these are the movies, and these are the web series, best web series, and some movies, and yeah, there are some movies as well. But there are some top, like book reading application. So let me just show you in a short duration how to use these applications.
can you please share this PPT to us?
Yeah, I'll just share it, all those PPT. Once I end the session, no, I will share it in the group. But let me just show you how to use this free application, Many Books. So this is an application, Many Books. All application works like this. Okay. So first of all, you have to click on Discover, and then whatever you like. If you like action and adventure, bios or history or children's fantasy. If you have, like, if someone is married and they have kids, they can go for their kids as well if they want their kids to watch. It is for free. Okay. Historical fictions, horror, literary fictions, mystery and thriller. So I'll click on horror because I do like horror. I click on this book. Some are paid, but you can just choose the free one and then read online. If you want to download, you can download it. Otherwise, read online option is there. So these are the pages. Okay, you can just change the page like this and read the content of it. This is the way you can improve your communication. These kinds of all applications like this only. So I am just explaining this in short. Then these are the books. Okay, like there are few applications like Many Books, Open Library.org, Overdrive, and Project Gutenberg. Then best movies in English. Avengers is my one of the favorite. Wonder Woman. Must have watched Harry Potter.
All are watched, but I didn't practice.
In English, have you watched or in the regional language?
No, English only, but I didn't practice. I don't have any mentor with me on that age. From my childhood only, I have watched
We have
Harry
watched
Potter,
Harry
Titanic,
Potter, Titanic.
every cartoon.
But we
I don't
that's
have any
what we
mentor.
were not having a mentor, and in our family also nobody speak English. We speak in regional language. So what happens? This is I think a problem of middle class family only, that we don't know English because of nobody speaks with us in English. If we speak wrong English, people laugh on us. They make fun of us when we speak English. They feel like, oh, he's showing off or something like that. But this is the fact
Yes,
that but if I have to learn something, I have to ignore this kind of people. Because why, when I used to speak, when I started speaking English, a lot of people used to make, why she's showing off all the time, speaking in English front of us.
ఇది స్టక్ అయింది ఇది
About myself, my future, then only I will be able to grow myself by myself. Otherwise, there are a lot of people who want us to be not grow or something. But it's up to you how confident you are and how
yeah, it takes
much you
27
want to
years.
know. This is, I think, problem of our middle class people, that they never wanted us others to grow, and
సెవెన్ అయిపోయింది ఇంకా
whenever someone is trying to grow, they will definitely try to stop them off. So it is up to you
చేసిన
if you want to come out from that particular society. Or I'm not saying that you don't need to be down to earth or something. Be a down to earth person, be whatever you are, but always grow. Don't think that what other persons are saying or what he wants to, what does he mean doesn't matters to you. If someone is thinking good about you, that's good, but if someone is saying wrong and you are doing right, then just ignore those people. So yeah, Titanic, Harry Potter, these are the movies we have watched in our childhood, but we have never concentrated on this. So now, if these are interesting movies, guys, you can watch. Or if you don't like, just watch with the subtitles and concentrate on those subtitles or lip sync of that person. Definitely, you will be able to
ఏం కావాలి
improve your communication. Then The Incredibles, The Good Dinosaur, Brave, Boss Baby, Hunger Games, and Notebook, and The Beauty and the Beast. These are the, I think, Beauty and the Beast also we must have watched in the childhood only. So watch those kinds of movies which will help. Actually, these are made for kids, right? So it is more understandable for the new beginners of English. So you must watch these kinds of movies. Now, there are few applications which can help you to improve your communication skills. First is Duolingo. This is must you download this application every day. 10 to 15 minutes give to this application. Basic whatever English you know, there are parameters. Choose your parameter. If you know basic English, you can. If you know a little bit of English, then you can choose that. If you are professional but you want to grow more skills, then you can choose that. There are parameters. Choose those and set your time, like how much you want to spend for to that application. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. There is a parameter. Click on that and then you will be able to use this application. Now there are application Peer Up, Hello Talk, AICV and British Council. So I will suggest AICV is better. You can talk to her every day 5 to 10 minutes. Whatever you want to speak, she will correct you. AICV, actually she is an AI. So this is what are those application. Now Times of India. If someone likes to read newspaper or just want to read something, then there are some newspapers, Times of India, Hindustan Times, and the Economic Times, which can help you your English pronunciation and communication. So basically, all these things are very important for you guys. So this is just a part. So as I said in the demo also, I'll give you a part. Now it's up to you. You have to follow it and you have to improve your communications. So, do you guys have any doubt on this? Like, do you want me to add something in this?
No, it's sufficient.
So, see, basically, I didn't. It goes very fast, but I wanted to explain it more. Maybe next session, I'll explain this a little bit more about how can this help you to improve your communication skills. But I need to go out for a, you know, just for fun because my holiday, like my weekend is going to end and I'm not done anything. So I want to do
Okay,
something on my weekend. So next session for sure we will be having a okay. But I'm sending these PPTs. If you still have any doubt, you can reach out to me. Just send me a WhatsApp message. I'll be there. Okay. And if you want me to add something, for sure you can. If you want to ask something, you can ask, guys. I am still available. And just a feedback I want to know. Did you guys like this session?
It's very funny and
You can be
very friendly class.
honest. You can be honest. Kalyan?
I'm honest only.
Okay. No, but what about Kalyan? He didn't say anything. I think he doesn't like.
I feel very enjoyed, ma'am. Whatever you are
Okay.
saying, I can understand better when I'm used to talk. The words are not arranging by.
Okay, so you have to connect those words. See, her speaks also. He speaks. He takes time, but he speaks. So it's fine. We are here only. These people, I think, as far we had talked, I don't think they will also mind. They will also correct you if you say something wrong. So feel free to talk.
Kalyan, if you are not able to talk with Ashwini, please call me. I will always available for you.
See, there are a lot of people to help us. If I am not available, Harsh is there. He will help you.
I'll do that, ma'am.
Yeah, you can call. See, people, you have to make. You have to do one thing. When if I am not available all the time. But if you guys are available for each other, practice with each other. Correct each other. Don't think that this guy
We are
is.
friends now.
Yeah, you guys are friends now. But Venkat is not speaking. What happened? Kalyan is speaking now. Now Venkat doesn't want to speak.
Actually, my kid was crying.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, guys, I have taken a lot of time of you guys. And thank you so much. It was a very, I did like this session because you guys were talking to me and you guys were enjoying. I felt that, you guys were also enjoying. So if you have anything, please reach out. And yeah, see you guys next week.
Okay,
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye. Kalyan.
Kalyan, bye, madam.
Bye, Venkatara.
Call చేయి.